we're definitely locking. Okay, so yeah, we're doing April 2023. Apparently this is the hardest month ever, so we'll see if Vert can do it. I highly doubt it, but we'll see. This week was decent. I think Monday, Tuesday was horrible. Or not horrible, but there was like nothing. Like what I could remember. And then, I mean, I might have to do that, Sean. Put on some Michael Jackson. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Okay. 4 hour. Bias. What's the bias? Check daily, check 4 hour. Cool. Okay. This price action seems pretty good. Check out this high. You didn't get any AM wins, did you? I did. I got a couple. I think I got one AM win. I took a 11 AM win Wednesday. What day is this? The 6th? Thursday? Yeah. Yeah. And then I got break even that other day. I was trading PM a lot. Like Thursday, Friday were decent. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday I didn't catch anything. What the hell? Oh, this is Sunday open. Okay, we have a new log. The guy's name you love is here. What are you talking about? PM can be good. PM Friday was horrible though. Alright, I'm bullish here. I'd probably just be looking for longs. 50% of like this 4 hour range because now we hit that buy side level. So I'd probably just look for calm retrace. And then, yeah, sweep with these lows, get along. But yeah, this is April 2023. Guys, can you guys calm down? No, Dannon, you have to buy it. NAS 100 is different. So why is it not yes? Why are we on 730? What is going on? Okay, FX replay is broken. Cool. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, swept out the low. Hit 50 to a T. Got a reaction. No entry. Ooh. Ooh. Take the 2 minute here? Yeah, probably. Or 3. 2 or 3. Okay, no close. I like that. Apparently most of these lose, so I guess we'll see. I would take this. Half size because it's pre-market. I might just do everything full size. Like I think I literally might just do, like, I'm just gonna full size if it's A+. Like I don't care, and then I'll just switch accounts if I lose. It doesn't matter if I backtest it. No, it does matter. Which premium did you buy? Okay, there's break even. That's gonna be a break even trade. Okay, break even trade and runs the TP. Nice. Cool. Love that. I could look short here. I think the draws to the upside are better though. This is a decent draw. These highs. Probably want now like a retrace, sweep out this low, get along. Okay. Ooh. No entry. What time is this? This market open. I'll take the 5 minute. Or not. Okay. Yeah, so we just gotta run that lower. That's fine. No entry though. Maybe if we sweep this high, we get a short to rebalance. If we leave an unmitigated 5 minute, yeah, we'll leave that in 2. See if we get something. So now we have the 5 minute in, which is drawn liquidity for a retrace. Okay, no entry, but we do retrace, which I expected. Okay, that's a pretty bearish reaction and respect to the 15. Oh, bullish, bearish SMT at the highs with ES. So this short would have been better if we left the 5 minute unmitigated, but doesn't even trigger. I'll take the 3 here. Probably could have got away taking the 2, but whatever. Okay, stops above this gap. Target 1R. Time does align. It's an A+ setup, right? Delivery out for value gap, sweep of liquidity, bearish SMT, good internal low to target. Looks like a reversal. Times with it too. Okay, there's break even. I'm gonna play on 30 seconds. Okay, never mind. It's a break even. Oh. Whatever. Break even there and break even. Break even saves us. Cool. Love that. Okay. This is bad price action. Interesting price action, yeah. Close below, go back up, close below. Don't distribute that low. This short was alright, not great. This 5 minute was decent, but we broke the 15, which I don't love. I think if this 5 minute breaks, this one tells order flow right now. I might just take this short down to this low, because that would put in a 5 minute breaker, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. Okay, I'm gonna try this. This is a lot of momentum. I'm gonna take this to the low. I like it. Like, this should work to this low. Right? Okay, there's a low. I'll scale it this low. So we can hit TP. Please, NQ. Okay, so I would have scaled there. I'll go back right here. So I would have scaled right here. I'd scale 75 out. And I'll probably just leave a runner for like this unmitigated 15. Or this unmitigated hourly, yeah. I'll be all out here. Come on, Q. Bang, okay. Wait, that was not bad, that was easy. Alright? That ain't even that bad. This is a good price action. Everybody understand the trade? Bro's always on the edge? What do you mean? What do you mean I'm always on the edge? Okay. 5-minute SMR. We still have that SMT. I said this gap is gonna tell order flow because this gap's been respected and sent us to a higher high. And I think if we're bullish to these highs, this gap would be respected. And if we break this gap, I'd 100% expect this low because this is a low inside of a fair value gap. So yeah. So you get a 5-minute breaker, 5-minute CISD, 5-minute inversion, momentum through the gap that tells order flow. Easy. Okay, that was easy. I think now the price action may get bad. We'll see. All right, bias is still bullish. Okay. I'd look for a sweep of this would be nice. Yeah, probably like that. Honestly, I wouldn't even mind a short here. I don't think. Cause we're still in that daily fair value gap to the left. And okay, I'm not gonna short here, but if we like break this hourly, I would short to the to these lows. I don't know. Honestly, like we might just go up from here. What is the gap that tells order flow? Gaps that tell order flow are fair value gaps that have been respected a lot or sent price to like a higher low. And like it makes sense in context for that gap to be respected if you want to go to like the external buy side or sell side. Okay, here's open. Again, I want lower, like this hourly low would be nice. Okay, see that's good momentum. We should go hit that low. Ooh. Oh, hold on. We have an SMT? We made equal lows, I think. Yeah. Actually, we have an SMT with this low. But we've like disrespected this 15 or this hourly. Or we haven't disrespected it yet, but like in 13 minutes. This long, okay, I would take this long if we put in an unmitigated 5 right here, but we still have 30 minutes for that, so I'm probably gonna skip this. I'm gonna see how this plays out. Okay, would have been a break even. Yeah, he would have been breaking that high and got a break even there. Okay, maybe this is the reversal. If this hourly gets respected, I'll stay bullish here. Okay. Sub-Ziva. Low key then. Hold on. Oh. I'm thinking I'd take this 3-minute. Already triggered though. This is pretty V-shape. So like I low-key could take this 3. It's really high though. And that stop loss is massive. I think I'm gonna wait. My gut's telling me to wait. Guys, I should not have waited. Ooh, this 30-second. Low-key, I should probably smack that 3. Yeah. Actually, it was a break even, dude. What the hell? I think it was a break. Yeah. Right? Yeah. You would have got break even, right? Oh, actually, maybe not. Maybe I'm coping. That was decent. I honestly thought we'd like pull back because we left inefficiencies. I'm thinking about the short. I don't hate it. If we like break this with momentum. Oh, it's invalid. See, like, even though it's invalid, I still think I want to take it, but I won't. Yeah, see, like, I still think this works. Would have been break even, though. Okay, it's fine. It's calm, it's calm. This is April 20. I just gotta check, like, is this the right? If you want to become a profitable trader, backtest April 2023 this weekend. Okay, let me show you guys. This is EJ. EJ is in PM chat, or NPM stream. This is his stats. Like, dude, the amount of break-evens, oh my god. Jesus Christ. This is EJ. This is not reliable. This is like a PM student. I think is he in my? Oh no, EJ's in here. But you're literally in here. Yeah. I remember that. I remember you joined my. Yeah, EJ. What? I get so many break. I mean, I let me see. But I gotta see how many break-evens. Okay, so on the 4th, you won. Did you take that 3-minute? I'm assuming you took that 3. Oh, I should have taken this. Oh, no, that was break-even. Never mind. Okay, I should have taken that 3, so I'm just gonna skip this day. Not gonna lie. I wouldn't mind a long from the sweep and then this gap delivery. I'd journal majority of them, so if you want to know it, I can check. Okay. Let me go over. Let me see this 1 week where you had 4 break evens. I want to see like how that was. Daily gap would be nice, but like I don't need it. But I feel like if we come down here, we'll probably go for the daily anyways. I wouldn't mind a short here though. Sweep this high. Kind of like good buy side though. Oh, hold on. Data low? Wait, no. What is this? No, this is that's a data high. That's pre-NFP. Yeah. So we have NFP this Friday, okay. I could short this though. Still a good wick to target. What do y'all think about this short? Go break even at the 3. I'm gonna wait. I like it though. Oh, this looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna short this, not gonna lie. I'm gonna short this and go break even at the 2 or the 3. And if I lose, I'll just like go to market open. Like close below this, right? Yeah. 3, 4, 5. Oh, my bad. Guys, we're in a 5-minute. Hold on. I'll take the 5. It's a good catch. I lied. Horrible catch. It's just through everything. It's fine. Yeah, I would 100% wait for the 5 there though. But this is a good short, like in general. I like the targets below us. Okay, it would have been a break even. Another 2-minute short here. This one's worse. No sweep. This one is worse, but it could work. Yes, this one, that one failed. Yeah, okay. I honestly would like a re-sweep of this high, or maybe a sweep of this high. Nope, it's fine. Okay, there's open. Okay, so we go tap that 4 hour. I think we go lower first, a little bit more lower, maybe. Okay, yeah. Ooh. I have to take this, right? Like this is it. This is my zone. This is paired to the OB. Unmitigated 4 hour unmitigated daily tap. I mean, We have an unmitigated 15 here, unmitigated 5 here. Okay. I mean, if this loses, I think I'd be completely fine with this. These type of shorting a downtrend trades. Shorting, even longing a downtrend. All my savings on that. I know EJ probably... EJ, do you remember? Tell me real quick. Did you win? What day is this? The 5th? Where's the 5th? Oh, you won on this day. Okay. He won on this day, so this works. Well, I'm seeing that you won on this day. I'm going to assume that you took this. I think you took this. You 100%. Oh. Guys, he didn't take it. This is not the one he took. GG. Right? Was that another? Yeah. I mean, this is literally a good setup. Yeah, I mean, this is called. These are the losses you want to take. It's just bad delivery. Because look, it works. See how this works? Oh, we had 10 AM news. Oh, I would never have taken this. Okay, my bad. That is hindsight, but once it hits 950, I don't take trades if we have 10 AM news. I'll check for news. That's my bad. But yeah, I would never have taken this. Or I would try this on like a secondary account. So I guess I still would have lost in it, but if I have 10 AM news and it's like 950, I usually just like stop. But I'll still say it's a loss, you know. I'm on the 30-second. Okay. Where's 10 AM news? There's 10 AM news. Okay. What news is this? ISM services. Yeah, PMI, red folder. Yeah. I usually try to avoid once it hits like 945, 950 to take a trade. But like I think I still would have tried this. And this loss is really, really good. That's a great loss. I'll take this short though. Okay, if this short loses, dude, we have the sweep, we have the delivery, we have the target. I mean, this is a textbook short, right? The only issue with this short is that we are not in we're not in discount, or sorry, we're not in premium. Wait, no, we did. Wait, did we tap? We literally tap premium. This is like textbook OSFL. If this loses, bro, April's cooked. Let me put my stop a little bit higher. I want my stop a little bit higher. Dude, this is a long wick. Actually, it's like 1 hour. Okay, no, that's fine. Sender. Bang. Okay. Yeah, like there's no way that loses, right? There's no way. See, like I'm trying to think, like I don't even know my rule. I mean, like usually I don't take trades, but if we have 10 AM news, once it's like 950 hits, I'm like waiting. How much am I risking? 400. That's what I risk on like my apexes. So 0.8. That's a banger OSFO. Sweep of the high, mitigate the 15, data low. I mean, that's just as good as it gets. OSFL is one setup for life. It just means like, it actually doesn't really have a meaning. It's whatever you want it to mean, but like, it's just like the best setup in the game. So like targeting data high, data low. Okay. I would be, I'd still be looking for longs. This is a really, really textbook 15-minute inversion. Dude, I might just take this. Wait, I might just take this. I'm going to take this. Oh, yeah, 100%. Even though it's a 15-minute, I would be fine taking this. Wait, it's 6:45? No, it's not. What time is it? Okay, something's wrong with, like, my entire FX replay. Wait, what? We just did Wednesday, right? Go back. 8:30. Okay, no, we're here. Yeah, okay. So, ooh, data high. I would be looking for longs. Sweep this low would be nice. Yeah. Or sweep the data low, get a long. Oh, that's not a data low. That's just a random low. We have a data high, no data low though. Okay, there's that sweep. Could get SMT with ES. Okay, SMT with ES now. Let's see what we get. Okay. Market open, manipulates down. I'll take this 5-minute long. Okay, that's really good momentum. Oh, it's gonna go invalid. I have to wait though. Yeah, it's invalid. Nothing even triggered, so that's unfortunate. Yeah, it's just invalid. Unfortunate. I think we go for the data high though. Oh, this 15-second. Oh my god. This 15-second probably. Yeah, that just printed. Oh, it was invalid too. Never mind. I think I might just take this. No, okay. I'm thinking of just taking this gap half size. Like this works, but I won't take it. Okay, the 5-minute ain't close. Okay, no, she's just gonna run to the data high with no setup. Oh, give me that 1 minute. Give me that 1 minute, please. Or this what, 3? I'll take this 2. Oh, never mind. I'll take the 3. Don't go invalid. Okay. Yeah, I mean, everyone and their mom is in this play. Right? The RR is kind of cooked. But 1R. Stop low is low. We mitigated the... We didn't mitigate the 15, but we mitigated the 5. And that's a data high, so... I mean, this should work. Or not. Okay. Why is my stop loss not triggering? Hello? Okay, interesting. I'll take that loss. I don't trade the 15-second. FX replay is like so slow. Okay, it put me back, but I lost on this, so I think it already played it out. Okay, so I would have lost on that. I mean, everyone is taking that trade. I'll also take this 1 minute because now we mitigate the 15, so now we don't have that conflicting draw. Okay. Probably wait for the 2 here. Yeah. Alright, I'm in that. Stop loss order block. I'd be in my secondary accounts now because I took a loss in my primary. Break even this high. Break even there. Dude. Okay, TP. Cool. Okay, so I want to point something out. If you really want to wait for the best case scenario, I trade 3 fundeds. I'm trading like a bunch. Like just to distribute risk. Like I start out with my apexes. If I take a loss on that, I switch over to like my alphas. Or like my MFFU. But I'm gonna get like funded next. Yeah. Okay, let me explain why this lost. I think this is fine. This is a fine loss. Like, I probably would take this in live time. So we sweep out this internal low. We mitigate the 5, but we leave a conflicting draw because we don't mitigate the 15 like here. So like we mitigate this 5 minute right here, but then you leave like potential conflicting draw. I don't really care about discount here because we have a data high. So I just like, because we leave that 15 minute, I guess you don't take this because the momentum's not that great, right? Momentum's kind of choppy here, so yeah, honestly, like, I still don't regret the loss though, because this looked like it was just gonna run. But this one manipulates, resweeps, and then mitigates the 15, and then you get that inversion with the order block plus momentum. This one is better, but that's why you just have to distribute your risk, so it's fine. Okay. Yeah, I don't think this price action is horrible. Bullish. Look for a sweep of this. Maybe 50. Nah, I wouldn't want 50 there. I just want like a sweep of this low or this low. VI's volume imbalance. Dude, why does it keep... Okay. Do you not care about VIs? Only if they're really, really obvious. But not really. Okay, we have NFP, right? Yeah. So we actually have a data low, so I'm actually bearish here. Most likely. Oh, this data low is good because it left relative equal lows too. Unless we have an SMT. We do have an SMT, but I still would target it probably. Okay, we swept out this high. Retraced up. Hit 50% of this rejection block. Yeah, perfectly. I'll take this 3 minute short. I think. I don't hate this. Unless we just chop here. I'll probably just wait for open. Wait, what? What am I looking at? Why is it Sunday? Am I brain dead? Bank holiday? Wait, what? I'm so lost. The 9th. Wait, the 8th. Wait, no, the 7th. Huh? Yeah, but this is like 9 a.m. Okay, whatever. I don't even know. Why would they have NMP on bank holiday? That's not... I think that's just FX replay glitching. Yeah. I want to go see. Did a short play out? Dude. It's textbook. Oh my god, it's textbook 5 minute. Are you kidding me? Everyone and their mom is taking this, bro. What? No, I don't give a shit. I'm taking my win. I don't care if it's Sunday. This is definitely not Sunday. Like, this is definitely just glitched. Like, I'm taking my win. I don't care. Yeah, but this is like, that makes no sense. Because this data, unless there's like a, where's Sunday open? Oh, see, it might be Sunday open. No, it is, because there's a VI here. This is so stupid. Okay, I'm not gonna take it, but like, does everyone see this? I changed my profile picture so long ago. Resweep the high, deliver out the 15. Data low below, 5-minute inversion, beautiful lows. Like, this is so textbook. I mean, look at that. All the way down. Straight down with target. Yeah, no, this is 100% Asia. Yeah, okay. No, it was. Never mind then. Hindsight, dude, that's not high. I would take that. If you see that on like, okay, if it's not Sunday, I would 100% be taking that. Are you kidding me? I said I wanted shorts. Yeah, I'm not taking it on a Sunday. I wouldn't even be on. But I'm saying like if that was like the Friday, then yeah, I'm taking that. I look for. I'm like low key bearish here to this low. I wouldn't mind a short here. I think we're going for that daily. Shorts would be nice from this unmitigated 15. Yeah, because that'd be in premium. I also wouldn't mind a long. Let me clarify. Because a long would send us to rebalance price. Here's open. Okay, we just dump and dump. Do we have an S&P? Nope. Dun, 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 dun. I would not take this long. I want the low. Okay, why are we leaving the low? Could short. This short's not even worth taking because it's gonna be a break even. Oh, that one actually lost. I wouldn't take it though because there's literally no point. Probably could take this. This is low. I'd rather just wait for long. Okay, now I look for a short. Potentially, if we get something really textbook. Hello. Hello, price play. Okay. If we break this with momentum, maybe. Yeah. Ooh, we inverted the 15. Okay, never mind. Wait. Probably in a 30 though. Yeah. Kind of weird. Putting an unfilled hourly in 3. Maybe wait for that. Yeah. See, there we. Now we mitigate the hourly. Okay, a short here would be great. I'll take this 5. Kind of weird. Okay, swooped out that low. I wish that gap was bigger. I think we go down from here, but maybe not. This is weird. See, this is kind of weird price action. Because, like, why would we invert the hourly to the downside? Yeah, no SFT either. This is pretty bullish. This 30-second, if we break it with a lot of momentum, I might try. That's good. It's out the hourly. Get the sweep. Let me sweep this high. 1 minute bearish SMT. We're at 2 minute though. One more candle for the 2. Okay. It's already break even. Yeah, never mind. I don't know. I don't know why I'd be this bullish. I might take this 5 minute. Okay, see, I kind of want to take this. It's not super obvious, but it makes sense where price is. And we left an unmitigated 15 below. I'm gonna take this 5 minute stop at the high and just go for 1R. I think it is like lunch. We're in macro. I mean, this makes sense to go for at least here. Unmitigated 15, breaking the 5, kind of like LRR lows. We'll see. Okay, break even there. Come on, NQ, go for 1R. And bang, okay, there's TP. So scale 75 up, 75% there. And then target this low, and then eventually this low. How many points will Scap? Scap low-key is small, but like it makes sense in context. That's a good candle. It is late in the session, but I stop trading like 12:10 usually. Yeah, I usually scale 75% at 1R unless there's like a data high or data low. Okay, this is really, really clean. Okay, we have an SMT this low, so I'm gonna scale here, 50 out. And then hold for the target. If we break the low, I'll trail. Okay, we're not breaking the low. I break even. It's like, why are we bullish here? That's what's like throwing me off. Stop scaling the 0.1 micro brochacha. Okay. Interesting. Like, that's funny. But yeah, I just banked on that. I talk like reliable? No, I don't. What are you talking about, man? Simon, is this your first time in here? I don't think I've seen you. Yo, I got a more. Yeah, that's why I'm doing it. I'm cooking. Currently, I'm cooking. Not going to lie, but it's only like the 10th, so. Like I saw you, and I saw you. Reliable was like, if you want to become profitable, backtest this month, so I had to try it. Do you have your stats more? Like the month P&L? It's gonna go downhill. I can tell. Okay, I would be not a single win. What? No, you're trolling. I'm not trying to be a dick, by the way, but like, wait, how? I mean, you trade differently, but show me the monthly P&L, like the maybe because you're backtesting late. I saw you backtesting at like 12 a.m. I feel like it's not that bad. But like, I obviously trade differently. Okay, why am I starting at 7 a.m.? What is this? Skip the 9. Thank you. No, he trades IFEGs. He's an analyst in Dodge's Discord. Like, he's good. I know he's good. I used to join Amore before I did this. I used to join Amore's backtesting sessions. I learned a lot in those. It's reliable, your dad. Are you asking me? Yes, go for it. In directional conditions, yeah. See, it's just different traders. Did reliable backtest it, you know? Okay, by the way, I think I'm bearish this low. I think it's an unfold hourly or something. Yeah. He kept getting fried? What? I feel like it's not that. Like, I've definitely traded worse conditions in backtesting. I don't know. Ooh, I was going to take that 5 minute. Okay, there's market open. V-shape long. What the hell? It's invalid. But like, I see what's going on. We have an SMT, I think. No, we don't actually. Amor, your backtesting session last night was locked, by the way. I don't know if you knew that. I don't know if you were like just for AM members, but like PM members couldn't join. I don't mind this short. Already mitigated the 15. V-shaped short. Held this 1 minute by a tick. Swept this internal high. I'd wait for the 30-second. This is obvious. Okay. That's kind of a bad candle. I'll take it. Go for 1 hour to that low. Unless we left like an unmitigated hourly above. No, we mitigated the hourly, so I'd expect. Yeah, it makes sense to go for this. Right? Yeah. Unless we have 10 AM news. Tuesday. Nope. Who would take this trade? Like 1 minute / 30. It's like a 30-second inversion. Like this should go to the low, right? Yeah, break even there. Bruh. Break even. Oh my god, are you serious? Are you serious, bruh? Come on. What is that? Oh, okay, fine. Fine. Fine, dude, fine. You did the whole... I can't believe you did the whole month, though. There must have been one win. Do you ever record it? I kind of want to watch it. I wish I was there. Anyways. 50-minute low swept. I would want... I wouldn't need discount here, like of this entire range. Yeah, I think just low getting swept in general should be good enough because we're mitigating that hourly. We should get like a manipulation leg here, like, and we should go back down here, and then now we get the long. Yeah, see, that would be nice. 1 minute here, if we break it with a good candle, maybe. Nope. Okay, pretty choppy price action. Thought process was on point though. Wait, how did you predict the manipulation leg? How did I predict it? I can just tell. Like, I don't know. Because this isn't like clean. I don't know why. Like it made sense to resweep. That's why I didn't long this. But I wouldn't long this anyways because it's in a 3. I would long this if the 3 broke. Yeah, just like, I mean, I have a lot of backtesting hours. Ooh, yeah, I'm in that, right? Again, everyone and their mother. Unmitigated 5 above. Yeah, this is textbook. If this lost, I would be completely fine with that. 1 minute inversion, unmitigated 5 minute above as a break even. Stop right here. Target 1R for a base hit. Bang, bang. Come on, NQ. Break even there. And TP. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. It's not hard. This is not, wait, I'm not trying to be an asshole. That's the thing. But like I'm more, I don't know if you're still here. Like this setup. Like it's cut, you don't suck, bro. No. You're not bad, Amor. I know you're not bad. I've seen your trades. I think it's just different trading styles. Like we just view the market differently. But Amor, you're good. You're not bad, bro. Oh, I use base hit just means like 1R. It's just like trading lingo. I'm also like a backtesting demon. I've done like everything. So I don't know. How did you do this last week? I did decent. I got payout on MFFU. My Apex, I won't lie, like my Apex was alright. Like I was up like 1R, but I'm really struggling with like, let me turn my music off real quick. I'm really struggling with like taking trades on my Apex. Like my alphas and my MFFU, I had 100% win rate. But like my Apex, I'm just like not executing any like anything less than A plus I just won't take. And it's like kind of like a mental barrier. But like what I've realized is that I just need to take more subjective good trades. Like for example, there's that 3 minute short for the equal lows. I think you guys remember that. Like I didn't take that because we didn't have a sweep. And like cause like then I'm like, oh, if this loses, it's because we didn't have a sweep. But that's like a stupid way of looking at it because you just gotta take what subjectively makes sense in terms of drawing liquidity. And I need to like drill that in my brain. It's because I'm trading 20 counts. So maybe that's just messing with me. But like, bro, I'm not gonna take 6 losses in a row. Yeah, a little less than 1R because commissions. Then I also cut a trade on Friday, so probably like 0.8. But like I could be up more. You know what I mean? I don't know. I just need to stop. The thing is like MFFU and alpha, I don't hesitate, and I'll just take an A setup because like I low key like it, and it'll just like work, and I'm like, damn, I should take it down my Apex. So like low key, I just need to do good. Amor, you ended green this week. You did great. You took that 3 minute short. I like that short. Like I didn't even see that. Like you took that. That was good. Dude, it's just different trading, guys. Yeah, EJ, that's another thing I do. Like, but like the thing is in backtesting, like, I don't do that. It's so weird. Like in backtesting, like I just like can read the market so easily. Like it's, and I mean, there's obviously no emotion in backtesting, right? That's like kind of why. So trading is so difficult. Now you take your time. All right, next day. What the hell? Oh. No data high, no data low. Pretty bullish candle here. ES has a data low. Wait, no, it doesn't. Never mind. It's 829. Okay. What am I saying? Okay, so I thought this high. Bearish reaction. I think I'm leaning bullish though. I mean, we're in this 4 hour. This 4 hour wicks down. If this 4 hour breaks, I'll stay bullish. But I'd probably see this is like where I'd want 50%. I feel like 50% here makes sense. I would low key marry 50 here because this is such a unbalanced price range. Okay, there's 50. Wow, to the T. Let me get that bullish reaction. Okay. Here's the market open. A resweep here, now a long would be nice. Okay, that 4 hour candle wicked. So you see how I'm not actually bullish here. I'm bearish now. Very bearish reaction. So I'd low-key be bearish to these lows. Like, at least this low. Yeah, you can see that as like a void. Okay, this, oh no, it's been broken. Okay. I wouldn't mind a long from here because I think we're gonna leave unmitigated price, and we also have a bullish SMT. So like if we get, I look, you want a remanipulation though. Actually, that's a pretty bullish reaction. Okay, I'll take this 5 minute and take it to the next 5. And I'll be a 15 minute, yeah. Yeah, I like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Did that break? Yeah. I'm gonna take this. Yeah, mech model here. This is one of my favorite setups. Is unmitigated 15s. We're in a 10 minute though, but like this is a lot of momentum. And the unfilled 15 minutes to me just makes sense. I feel like this one could lose though. I won't lie. But like I like the SMT. If we didn't have the SMT, I want to take it. Okay, break even there. Ooh, 0.8. I probably would scale on that candle. I'm gonna leave runners here. See, like I would scale on that candle. Yeah. Okay. Dude, can you give me the? See, that hit 1R basically. Yeah, that hit 1R right there. So I would have scaled. I'll just go back to this. Oh, whoops. That wick hit 1R, but you can't like scale off wicks on this. So I'll just scale 0.87. Did I scale? Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. So that's just like a mech model. I'll hold for 50 of this. Oh no, we already had 50. 50 this entire range. Yeah, it's right here. Okay. See what happens. Oh, thank you. No, that's fine. Scale break even. That's a mech model. So if you guys know about PB trading, I feel like you guys all know that. 5 minute inversion to unmitigated 15. We are on a 10 minute, but like I shouldn't put weight on a 10 minute. I don't know when uses 10 minute, bro. 5 minute inversion with an SMT with a V-shaped recovery. Target unmitigated fair value up above. Unfilled 15 minute, which lines up with an unmitigated 5 minute. So that kind of makes sense. And then, yeah. I love my favorite setup. I've seen this like I was talking to Reliable with it. Is it's literally the unmitigated 15, not the unmitigated 5, but it has to be like the 15. These work so well. I don't know why. But like yeah, this mech model, but like only for unmitigated 15s, I like them. Like really, really like them. Unmitigated 5s sometimes get left, but like I feel like the 15's that sweet spot. Okay, next session. I'm not trying to bash on Amor, by the way. Amor's a good trader. Like he's a dodgy analyst for a reason. But I feel like right now this one's pretty easy. I'm not gonna lie. Again, it's just like different discretion. I'd probably do bad on a month where he does good, you know. But he also like has different break-even rules. Like Amor like doesn't go break-even at like internal highs sometimes. Like, he trades differently. I trade really strict. I think that's a reason why I don't take a lot of trades, but I don't take that many losers. Like, in live trading, I haven't taken a loss. I haven't taken a loss this week or last week. That's like an actual loss. What was my last loss? It's actually been more than that. 2.5 weeks, yeah. It's been 2.5. Okay, anyways. Sweep this low. I'll do one more day and then I'll call it. Look for one more win. We mitigated this daily, so I'd be bullish here. This like wick in general in the 4-hour looks really, really juicy. Like this wick, that looks like a really nice target. I wouldn't mind a short to this unfilled 15 out of this 15. I feel like that low-key makes sense. Oh, we have a data low. Never mind, guys. I'm neutral here. Once one of these gets swept, I think the data high will get swept. Let me look for short. Okay, I'm gonna look for short here. I'll take this 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, that's as good as it gets. Who's taking this 1 minute? And I'm gonna get a 5 below. I mean, if this fails, I'm off, man. 30-second close below 2. V-shaped recovery. Data low below. I'm gonna get a 5 below. Yeah, delivery off the hourly. Tapped a 15-minute OB. You took this one? EJ, did it lose? Oh shit. No way this loses, right? Oh, it's a break even. Okay. Break even trade. So I just won't even take it. No comment. Nah, I'm trolling. Yeah, break even. Really, really good trade. These are the trades you want to be taking. Okay, this looks like bad PA. So maybe I wait for open. Oh, open's already happened. What the hell? Wait, accumulate, manipulate, V-shape recovery. No, we're bullish here. Yeah. Okay. This hourly breaking. Actually, no, a short here would be nice. This would be the last spot for a short. Like, I'll take this, like, this 3 minute looks pretty textbook. Oh, I'll take this 5. I'll take the 5, go for the other unmitigated 5. Okay, really, really slow delivery. Not what I like. Yeah, it's really bad. Holy. 1 minute long? Hell no. I'm not logging up here. Okay, yeah, next day. I'm not trading this. This sucks. Did we end up going down? So we ended up hitting this rejection block. Yeah, respected 50, then start to go down. So we never went for that data low. So I'll keep it in mind. Yeah. I would be bullish here to this wick. I think we're just bullish here. And I'd only change bias if we start melting through 50. I feel like 50 should get respected. But if we like melt through 50 with a lot of momentum, I'd probably switch bias. So we'll kind of just see. We actually have another data high. So I'm definitely leaning bullish here. What day is this? This is Friday. So Friday, 8:30. Yeah, retail sales group. Cool. So I'd be on the charts. Dude, can this government shutdown like stop? I'm trying to take 8:30 OSFLs again. 1 second short. I'm gonna time you out for about 10 minutes, by the way. This 15-minute long, low key is tempting. It's not gonna, we're not gonna get it though. Okay. Damn. No setup. Actually, low key, I could have taken this. I didn't even think about that. It would have been break even though. Like this gap breaking. But you would have been break even when we reset the high. Okay, I'm looking short here. I'm gonna look for shorts here. I think shorts make sense now. Lots of unmitigated, huge unmitigated 15-minute below. Like, this gotta get rebalanced, right? Oh, 1 minute short right here. Oh, dude. Are you joking me? 10 a.m. 2 on the 10 a.m. dot for the 10 a.m. reversal. I mean, make it easier, right? Hold on. We're looking in this 3 minute, but like I still would take this 1 and go break even here, even though we're in this 3. I mean, this is such V-shaped momentum, and its time aligns perfectly, and we have such unbalanced price below. Don't trade mechanically, trade subjectively. Oh my God, go back. That worked so well. I want to leave a runner, dude. Fuck. Okay, why do I not wait for this 3? We are in a 3 minute, but like this V-shaped recovery, right? We have to trade subjectively, not mechanically. It makes sense at 10 a.m. to see some sort of retracement to balance price, right? We have unmitigated 15-minute below here. So I would be targeting this 15-minute as my last take profit. So I would scale there. Okay, never mind. So I would have scaled here. This would be my last trade. It won't let me though. This is really, really annoying. I'm just gonna win 1R real quick, by the way, because like I would have scaled 1R, so I would have made 75% of 400. What's that math? Probably like I don't know, like 0.5. Yeah, I would have scaled that much about. Okay, cool. So I would have scaled there, like on this candle. That is like such a textbook short. Okay, we're done. This has literally been one of the best backtesting sessions I've done. That's interesting. That's really, really interesting. Like that's kind of breaking my brain a little bit. I'm not even like halfway done with the month. Like that's actually like, wait, what? Dude. Guys, am I like, I don't even know. I don't know what to feel. I'm gonna at reliable and see what he says. Like, maybe I have that one losing day, but like even then, it doesn't even matter, bro. I don't know. That was entertaining and educational? Yeah, of course, man. This is like the best one I've had. That's so weird. That actually makes no sense. What? Okay, whatever. Alright, does anybody have any questions or trades they want me to review? Maybe over the week. You took a loss, so I'm going to check it out. Add reliable. No, I'm not going to add reliable. It's like self-promo if I do that. Get him here to explain himself. I think they just like, I don't know. I added him in PM chat. I'll see what he has to say. But yeah, does anybody have any do you think PA was better before government shutdown? Low key, I think it was worse. I think PA before government shutdown was worse. like the PA right now is not even that bad. Like it's definitely not been like insane. Like we've been getting like 2 good days of the week, and then the rest are just like bad. Government shutdown. So I don't know if you guys saw on. We actually had like a what's it called? Yeah, we had like an offer. But the Republicans, like the Democrats, proposed to reopen the government with like an offer, and then they got instantly rejected. So I don't know. So we're probably not going to see it open this week. What's the news looking like this week? Monday, no news. Tuesday's a bank holiday? Is that Veterans Day? Is that what that is? I think that's what that is. Oh. Tentative CPI. This week's gonna suck, bro. Wednesday, I'd be careful. Wednesday's so many speakers. And then tentative, brother. We gotta stop. That backtesting session opened my eyes. Did it actually? Well, that's good. Yeah, I mean, I do these every Saturday. I just want to like look over this week though. My MFFU account's gonna get blown because I just wanted to withdraw. Like, well, I have like $400 in drawdown because like it like once you withdraw the money, because I don't want to get max. I don't want to get max allocation for MFFU. I don't really like MFFU. Well, MFFU is really easy for payout, but it's an 80-20 split. That's kind of shit. Like there's prop firms with 90-10. And I can get like funded next alpha. You can get max allocated 3, and they gave me 2 free accounts that I'm like halfway done with the evals already. And then I want to get max allocated on that, and then I want to get funded. Funded next looks insane. I don't know if you guys have seen the rapid. Their rapid accounts. I was going over this with Reliable. Like these look. It looks like a scam. Like that's what it looks like, to be honest, because they're so broken. What I've seen, it's like 3 days to get a payout, and it's like okay, it's a one-time payment. You can get a discount. I'm gonna wait for Black Friday. It's not a scam because I've seen people get paid out. What? No, see, EJ, I'm not gonna trade copy. Yeah, I'm gonna trade them separately because I like to distribute risk. That's what I realized. Because like having one like because I do one trade a day and I risk heavy, like just having one trade only is like mentally draining. So I'd rather just like, oh yeah, I take a loss on my Apex to switch over to Funded X. Now I can look for one more. Take a loss on that, go to PM, trade my MFFU or something. What alpha accounts do I have? I have 0 accounts. But yeah, this 50K rapid challenge, it's like, so max drawdown, no trailing is 2K, profit target's 3K, no daily loss limit, no activation fee. It's a one-time fee, meaning like there's no monthly recurring payment. So like I think you can just take however long you want. The max position's 3 minis. Like you can full port these on news, but like you probably won't pass them because you can only do 3. I don't know. I think you can. I'm actually not sure. Single trade, the funded next probably not because you can only do 3 minis. I mean, you can. What's the math on that? It's like 10 minis is 15 points. So yeah, $15 a point. Someone do the math. I don't know. Consistent. Yeah, but this is only for the funded account. The challenge account doesn't have consistency. Alpha Futures is really good too. There's 0 plan, so 90. They have a 90 profit split, which I like. They have a daily loss limit.
so that's why you can't really do it on news probably. But you can do it on news, but again, max position size is only 3, so like I would just trade it normally. Consistency 40%. Like this is good. I think the only thing with alpha that I don't like, their profit split is like this. Wait, where's 0? Oh no, wait, no, it actually is 90% all times. Yeah, get the 0 accounts, because the standard accounts, the first and second payout are only 70% profit split. The 0 accounts, the minimum payout request is 200, maximum, yeah, okay, so 1500 is a max on 50K. And you just need 5 days of 200 profit, and you can take out 50%. So and you get 90%. It's basically just like a cheaper Top Step. Yeah, because like only $80 a month. It's literally a cheaper Top Step. That's what this is. You should link all your fundings to TradeZilla and see how big a 1 hour week really is. Look, you could. I don't even have that many accounts though. Like I have my Apexes, 20 Apexes, but then I only have like 2 alpha, which are an eval, and then I have 1 MFFU, which is like I just took a payout on, so I'm gonna blow that most likely, because I want to use that. I want to switch to like funded next. But yeah, I look, you should, once I get them all funded, I'll do like TradeZilla. But what was I gonna say? I don't know. Use code VERT. Yeah. If you want alpha futures accounts, use code VERT. You get discount. 87. I'm not flexing. Guys, join Amore's backtesting sessions. They're good. When I was learning, I'm still learning. Like I'm not even like that good. Okay, I'm not amazing or anything. No, stop. Join Amore's and Dodgies. Okay, Amore does. I used to join his backtesting sessions. They really helped me. And ask questions. Like I would spam Amore with questions. I'd spam him with like, take this, take that, check 15, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna upload this to. No, I think he does it in Dodgies. He does it in the dungeon. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube.